said he dropped. Is that what you guys saying? He said Usimamane. Didn't you guys say he dropped? Didn't he drop? Or call me use. No, I don't want to imagine anything, Chief. Chief. No, not this one was. Didn't you guys say he dropped? Culture usiko. Why is 17 videos, Gandhi? Is there another page? Is it here? Let me check. Let me go to Apple. G-Wagon, eh? Is it G-Wagon? Oh, people love Dun. Why is Dun the first song? Let's hear it.
Reminiscing back in the trench, nigga, I was down. We gon' run this shit up again. They thought I was done. My other bitch yellow like the sun. My other bitch brown. My other bitch straight from overseas. She look like she stay in London. Reminiscing back in the trench, nigga, I was down. We gon' run this shit up again. They thought I was done. My other bitch yellow like the sun. My other bitch brown. My other bitch straight from overseas. She look like she stay in London. Ayy, always gonna say I'm 101. Go by vet, I get go find a nine. Ayy, you should see they face when I'm around. Niggas love it every time I'm out of town. Kati bubu kenyanga. My baby boy bati blood up be top. My baby she like boasting about me. Make one chinali so that I'm shit. Really feels good to be me. Made it out of trap, now I'm free shit. I stay putting work OT. Mama praying I don't OD shit. She know that I'm really with the shit. She know that I'm really him. She know that I really mean business. She know that I'm G from a jeans. I ain't got it top by the bitch. Anyways, back to the streets. Made it out of trench I was down back from the seas. Gotta represent all my people. Always gonna have my kazee. I was in the trench for the lunch. Now young nigga praying up for free. Reminiscing back in the trench. Nigga, I was down. We gon' run this shit up again. They got us down. My other bitch yellow like the sun. My other bitch brown.
My other bitch yellow like a sun. My other bitch brown. My other bitch yellow like a sun. My other bitch brown. Yo, chat, I wanna go to the gym, chat. What the fuck? I'm trying to go to the gym and this nigga is making me mad right now. I don't know where my clothes are. I wanna go to the gym right now. But yo, chat, let me highlight this nigga first. I'm trying to go to the gym.
She look like she stay in London. Reminiscing back in the trench. Nigga, I was down. We gon' run this shit up again. They thought I was down. My other bitch yellow like the sun.
My other bitch brown.
My other bitch straight from overseas. She look like she stay in London. Reminiscing back in the trench. Nigga, I was down. We gon' run this shit up again. They thought I was done. My other bitch yellow like the sun.
My other bitch brown.
My other bitch straight from overseas. She look like she stay in London. I ain't got it top by the beach. Nigga, I was down.
I am not gonna take any slander for Usimamane. I am not gonna take any slander for Usimamane. You see what I'm saying? I am not taking any slanders for Usimamane. Shut the fuck up. I am not taking any more slanders. I am not. Yeah, the voice notes are just too long though, but I'm not taking any slander still.
I'm glad.
I was beginning to think I'd been forgotten.
Hold on.
Fly back there and tell them I have come home.
I was in a pit, didn't get my bands. I can take care of feces. I'm Dolly, please watch all my friends. Don't give me a chance to take care of my friend. Vision getting blurred, had to wipe up my lens. Wish that they told me that the game is hard. I was gonna be happy doing this. No more. I'm scarred. How many times did I try to take my life? How many times I gotta watch my mama cry? How many times? How many times? How many times?
What next? Usimamane. You know, I was just listening to this verse and all I could think about is what next for Usimamane. Another album, another check, another, I don't know. I mean, legit, you have to, you can guess what this guy's a rapper or not.
Really?
But as a chance, this guy's a rapper.
Really?
It doesn't come off as a, you know, like.
No, man. Maybe you've had. Hold on now. Hold on.
I'm talking him as talent. Is he a superstar? Yeah, Usimamane. He's trying.
This is my first time agreeing with Tahi on what he's saying about Usimamane.
The doubt about him creeps in when we speak about his sound. To me, his sound is a problem. He sounds the same. There's no elevation.
4 years later from here, we're gonna be like asking ourselves, Usimamane, what happened?
Actually, I'm a big fan of Usimamane. Actually was, but this industry thing, dog.
Yo, you guys are shameless. You podcast people, you are shameless. You podcast people, you are shameless. You are shameless. You have no heart. You are ugly here. This is a child, bruh. This guy's like 22 and whatever. You guys are shameless. You guys are shameless. You podcast people, you are shameless. You are shameless. You have no heart. You are not civil. Nimdaka. You can't be talking as if, even you change the tone of your voices when you are speaking, as if you are talking something fundamental, something sentimental, something that's building. Oh, you see my man. You even change the way you talking cack about somebody else. This is ridiculous, bruh. We must close all these podcasts, bruh. Yeah, okay, fine. We don't like the music. Okay, cool. But like to this point, bruh, like what is this, bruh? What kind of a conversation is? What kind of a conversation is that? Come on, bruh. Yeah, do better, people. What the fuck? Now this boy needs to prove it to you that you guys are shameless. I don't. You guys are shameless. You're making me raise my voice into you are bringing out my original accent now. You bringing out my Zimbabwe out of me because you guys are shameless. I don't want to lie to you. You guys are very shameless. You guys are ridiculous at this point. You guys are ridiculous. This hate level is just too much. Anyway, let's continue. I think this boy is too much.
When platinum, you got Rick Ross on your tape, and honestly, the only
What the fuck?
you had was Chick. At this point, I'm really starting to think, bro, is an industry plan, bro. I'm not even gonna care, but I honestly feel like, bro, is an industry plan at this point. See, I fear for your career, man.
Life for living, swear to God, it's fast, I had to slow down. Suicidal kid, I'm always smiling when I pop out. Knew I was gonna be big first day I started.
Imagine a child hearing this thing. Imagine you are still young and you hear these things about you.
There was no doubt. They were saying that I was a superstar. Never wanted to be a superstar for they time out. Every show with my name on it, swear to God it's sold out. Niggas wanna snatch my bread and send me back to the corner. I just wanna live a life in peace, oh mama. All these niggas tryna get rid of me, mama. I just wanna come back home, oh mama. I don't wanna do this anymore, mama. Tired of doing this, swear to God, oh mama, oh mama. Sometimes I ask the Lord to take everything back. can trade every day that I have, mama. I don't give a shit about everything here, mama. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. I just wanna be a fucking old kid, mama. I just wanna hit up whatever I want, mama. Sometimes I'm never in a mood to take pics, mama. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Hate it when you read about me on the papers, mama. All I ever wanna do is make the paper, mama.
Whoa.
Hey, how my brother see me as a superstar and not his little brother, mama.
Like, I know it's hard being on the road and performing in front of an audience.
No.
And sometimes you don't feel well.
Uyalila ke ngoku umntana.
You want to be on that stage.
Uyalila ke ngoku umntana. Uyalila ke ngoku umntana nithini ngoku? Kunina. Sis. Rubbish.
That's right. It is I love Champion. I have returned to take what is mine, which is everything that is
Let the
yours.
Lord drive. That shit, I be hella chillin', let the Lord intervene. Ain't begging, now we probably in it for the win. Still with the homies, swear to God, they switching teams. Let the Lord drive me, I'm at the back shit. I be hella chillin', let the Lord intervene. Ain't begging, now we probably in it for the win. Still with the homies, swear to God, they switching teams. Never had shit, bangin' our niggas. Empty stomach in the hood, bangin' our niggas. I was sleeping on the floor and get our nicks. Now they send me dress on give I get the nicks. Never had shit, banging our nicks. Empty stomach in the hood, banging our nicks. I was sleeping on the floor, banging our nicks. Now they send me dress on give I get the nicks. Gave us take it back at 17. They please out when I told them that I'm him. All them niggas, baby, movie so slim. See, that's the reason why I'm getting all about my thing. Used to be mad, bro, 100 on pit. Now I'm flying on me, grouping on me knee. Niggas made it, man, just find this shiny dick. Been GT Pupo got the top shit is real. Made it from the south, made it from the mud, made it from the dust, made it from the slums. But I'm from him lies, I'm him, now we guys. Niggas want me gone, I'm getting down. Made it from the south, made it from the mud, made it from the dust, made it from the slums. But I'm from him lies, it was him, now we guys. Never had none, might as well my dust. Let the Lord drive, that shit, hella chillin', let the Lord intervene. Ain't begging, now we probably in it for the win. Still with the homies, swear to God, they switching teams. Let the Lord drive me, I'm at the back shit. I be chillin', hella chillin', let the Lord intervene. Ain't begging, now we probably in it for the win. Still with the homies, swear to God, they switching teams. Never had shit, bangin' our niggas. Empty stomach in the hood, bangin' our niggas. I was sleeping on the floor, bangin' our niggas. Now they send me dress on give I get the nicks. Never had shit, banging our nicks. Empty stomach in the hood, banging our nicks. I was sleeping on the floor, banging our nicks. Now they send me dress on give I get the nicks. Give I get the nicks.
I like that. Yo, Chad, I need to go, Chad. No. I need to go. I'm gonna listen to this other one later on. I need to go, Chad. Usimamane. I like the 3 songs that I've heard already. You, my dog. You him. You got the talent, you got the work. Just don't listen to this shit, man. These niggas. Fuck these niggas, bro.